This is not just a jungle. This is the heartbeat of nature. Every drop of rain brings life to this wild world.
Here stands the king, calm, powerful, and fearless.
In the jungle, every step is a matter of survival.
Even the quietest creatures must stay alert.
Speed and intelligence are keys to survival.
Look at the size of it. It's magnificent.
Recording the skin texture now.
I have never seen one this close.
Every movement shapes survival. Is not just water. And we've only seen the surface.